My name is Subbe Bemis, and I'm from Shellnut, Missouri, just south of Branson.
Have you been cooking corn for
Right at 20 years.
20 years?
Well, Rettenbacher was my hero when I was a child growing up. Well, I do a lot of craft shows. I was in Silver Dollar City for a couple years in Dollywood. I still do Bass Pros in Springfield, Missouri. I do all their special events. Ready or not.
So that's how you do it, huh?
Don't gotta be a rocket scientist, but it don't hurt. Good life skin all up top. When you get down to fold it up. While you're turning around, the hair will cool. Good enough. Huh?
Extra?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put these other two in this bag.
Okay.
Let me switch those over here. How much is that?
$45.
$45? Okay.